Hello, my name is Edward McNair and I'm the Director of Marketing for both Microsand and Telewave. And here we're at the Telewave side of our booth and we're going to talk about some of our products that we have. So here we have our new 44 DLX Wattmeter. Now what makes this special is that in addition to the internal battery in the device, we also have support for an external battery, which extends your ability to use the device. We also make another device, the 44 DLX-E, and what makes it special about that is it has no internal battery. The value of having no internal battery is that sometimes if you're traveling to airports, you can pack it in because it doesn't have a lithium battery inside of it. And then also it's good for benchtop work where the battery isn't necessary and the device will remain plugged in the entire time. In addition, we have here in our joint collaboration with Lime Microsystems a 5G base station. This has a low power base station allowing you to build out your own 5G network. One of the big benefits of it is for you to create your own private 5G system, and it works great for utility industry, mining, and also mission critical communication in areas where it's difficult to have reception or connectivity. What we're showing here is our drone. This drone is specifically designed for use in the RF space. The drone will be equipped with equipment and a camera. It allows the drone to fly up, measure the RF profile of an antenna, saving us the cost and expense of having an engineer climb up the antenna and try to get the measurements, which are often inaccurate.